Hello everyone, I am Samiksha Gumbe. I am in 8th standard. Meet my friend Samriddhi Jagtap. We are from Vainadya Vidyalaya district, Nashik, Maharashtra.
Every year, many accidents happen in the world. Accordingly, we are considering some road safety measuring for the roads involved. We have suggested this project. In this project, we have used an Arduino relay, battery, LED lights, and ultrasonic sensor. We know that a relay attached to Arduino adds an output, and that relay also acts as the switch. A LED red light is connected as an output of that relay.
While passing through the wharf, the car coming from the opposite side of the road, we can't notice it. So many accidents happen in the wharf. Since we can install this project in that places, if the car is coming from the opposite side of the road, the ultrasonic sensor will sense it and the LED light will glow on. Due to the red light, the upcoming car on the curved road realized that the vehicle is coming.
Due to this, the driver get alert and the accident can be avoided by reducing the speed of the car. Also, you can install this project in various places. As such, it is very expensive to operate a signal system at the intersection that exist in different village. Also, if the signal system is shut down, due to this the repairing and maintenance of the system will also cost us a lot of money.
Also, that signal system will, if the signal system shut down for 2 to 3 days, we can see that traffic is completely disturbed. If there are a car coming from the opposite direction at the signal point, we can regulate the traffic. We think that accidents that happen at the signal place be reduced with this project. Similarly, this project can be also implemented in the places where accidents are happen due to the fog in every year in Delhi.
If we install ultrasonic sensor at center distance on the barricades, if there is an accident, the car will detect the ultrasonic sensor. If the LED light is on, the upcoming cars can be see the red light. At that time, drivers can be reduce the speed of the vehicle to avoid possible accident.
Now we are going to discuss about the benefits of this project. One, easy to repair and it has no maintenance. To use in foggy environment. To useful for car safety and it will avoid the car accidents. To save valuable people's lives. To work in any adverse condition and easy to handle. It is low budget. To operate on 5 volts so electricity will be saved. To save economic loss.